and naturally they are going to be turbaned, and thereafter they will then receive their certificate and finally a gift for them as well. Hafiz Abdul Wahab, Allama Qari Khalil Ahmed will be giving the certificate. Hafiz Ikram Ali, I want to call Allama Sahibzada Muhammad Misbahul Malik. Hafiz Furqan Raza Qadri, I want to call upon Allama Qari Javed Akhtar Chishti to come on stage to do the turbaning. Hazrat Maulana Qari Ahmad Raza Khan will give the present. Hafiz Jamil Ahmad, Allama Hafizur Rahman Chishti. Hafiz Luqmanur Rahman, Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Yusuf Sahab. Hafiz Ishaq Zakaria from Mozambique, Allama Qari Nur Hashim Chishti Sahab. Hafiz Dilawar Baba of Cape Town, Allama Iftikhar Ahmed Chishti Qadri. Hafiz Shoaib Wali, Allama Abdul Rashid Sahab from Mozambique. Allama Hafiz Adam will now come on to graduate to turban Hafiz Musaddiq. Hafiz Ahmad Yusri will be turbaned of Egypt. He will be turbaned by Allama Hafiz Muhammad Siddiq. The next personality coming on stage is going to be Allama Noshad Alam Misbahi, who will turban Hafiz Yusuf Patel of India. Allama Maulana Muhammad Aslam Sulaiman will come on stage for Hafiz Muhammad Tar. Hafiz Ahmad Yusri, Allama Tahir Ahmad from Durban. Hafiz Ahmad Raza of Potchefstroom,
Darul Uloom Pretoria.
Maulana Muhsin of Cape Town will come now for Hafiz Ismail Bray of Naizna. Hafiz Muhammad Saeed Shafiq, Allama Maulana Abdul Nabi Hamidi Sahab. Hafiz Saeed of Mozambique. Maulana Yasin Ayami will come on stage for Hafiz Mudassir. Maulana Muhammad Hussain will come on stage for Hafiz Salman Tayyib. Qari Izharul Mustafa will be coming on stage now for Hafiz Muhammad Qasim of Mozambique. Maulana Wuke will do Hafiz Nizamuddin from Watford, England. Hafiz Yasir from Maputo. Maulana Imtiaz Raza. Hafiz Abdul Qudus, Qari Zaid Ahmed Zahidi, Maulana Muhammad Amin Iqbal of Johannesburg, Allama Khwaja Muhammad Bashir Sahab, Brother Sadullah Kamkar, Maulana Ahmed Khorolo of Lesotho, Qibla Nuranimia, Maulana Faqir Pitse and Fadilatul Sheikh Ibrahim.
Ulama Ahle Sunnah, Darul Uloom Pretoria.
Ibrahim Kei. Maulana Nasik Ahmed Muhammad, Huzur Ghazi Millat, Haji Siddiq Chaudhry Sahab. Maulana Naveed Ahmed.
Nare Takbir! Nare Takbir! Nare Risalat! Nare Risalat! Ulama Ahle Sunnat! Darul Uloom Pretoria!
One of them will share 5 minutes of their time to you, giving a brief message. The first, Alim Maulana Nuri Saab.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give our Hazrat Qibla Mufti Muhammad Akbar Hazarvi Maddazillahul Ali a long life to continue this work of deen, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala under his guidance, as the students they are graduating this year, they may graduate in the coming years also. Ameen.
Maulana Nadeem from Maputo.
मैं इंतहाई दिल की गहराइयों के साथ अपनी तरफ से और जमात मोज़म्बिक की तरफ से, यानी अपने इदारे कोमनिदात मोमिताना जमीयत मोहम्मदिया की तरफ से और दीगर जितने इदारे मोज़म्बिक में चल रहे हैं, उन सब की तरफ से हजरत किबला मुफ्ती अकबर हज़ारवी साहब दामत बरकातुहुल आलिया को, दीगर अरकान जमात को, दीगर असातिज़ा को मुबारकबाद देता हूं कि जिनकी कोशिशों से आज दारुल उलूम प्रिटोरिया एक बड़ा दारुल उलूम, या यूं समझ लीजिए कि एक इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी का रूप धार चुकी है.
Maulana Tahir Ahmed from Durban.
As the ulama have said, a Darul Uloom is a factory where ulama are created, huffaz are created, and in the short space of time, the work that Mufti Sahab has done, he should be congratulated.
Yet another guest we have that has traveled from abroad, Sayyid Mubarak Hussain Shah Sahab.
मैं दुआ करता हूँ इस दारुल उलूम को हमारे मुफ्ती साहब किबला ने अपने अहबाब के तामुन से आबाद किया है. अल्लाह तबारक व तआला इस बाग को जब बार आवर फरमा रहा है, तो हम दुआ करते हैं कि जो इस इलाके वाले लोग हैं, दूर दराज वाले हैं, उनको इल्म की इस सहूलत से फायदा उठाते हुए ज्यादा से ज्यादा इल्म हासिल करना चाहिए और इस